Hello everyone and welcome to another installment of Storytime. Today I will be talking about HKS's newly introduced coil packs for the RB26DETT that boasts increased spark energy compared to the stock units that come in the RB26. Tuning parts maker HKS has released the Per-Fire Racing Coil Pro, which strengthens the ignition system of the RB26. Comparing the secondary voltage at each dwell time, the time to energize the ignition coil, with the genuine product, this item boasts about 1.5 times the maximum voltage by generating a strong spark. It is effective in preventing misfires in the high RPM range. Furthermore, since the power transistor is built in, it is a big point that BNR32 and BCNR33 owners are free from the risk of failure due to aging. The bracket is black anodized and the coil spacer is red anodized, which contributes to improving the aesthetics of the engine bay. This elamite treatment is said to contribute to the improvement of durability. By the way, when this coil is attached, the genuine plug cover cannot be attached. Therefore, the coil spacer is equipped with an O-ring to ensure dust-proof and waterproof performance. It has a structure that can withstand the use of plug covers. Lastly, this is compatible with all second generation GT-Rs, BNR32, BCNR33, and BNR34. Priced at 148,000 yen or $1,397.22. Please note that using this product will necessitate the need for an aftermarket ECU so that the dwell time can be properly configured in order to attain the maximum performance of the ignition coils. I hope that you guys got some value from today's episode. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so. This way you won't miss out on any future episodes. And if you have questions, ask them in the comments.